How to convert index of a pandas data frame into a column. This seems rather obvious, but I can't seem to figure out how to convert an index of data frame to a column. For example, 2.
Either or .reset_index. So, if you have a multi-index frame with 3 levels of index, like and you want to convert the first, tick, and third, obs, levels in the index into columns, you would do
rename _axis plus reset _index. You can first rename your index to a desired label, then elevate to a series. This works also for multi-index data frames.
To provide a bit more clarity, let's look at a data frame with 2 levels in its index, a multi-index. The reset_index method, called with the default parameters, converts all index levels to columns and uses a simple range index as new index. Use the level parameter to control which index levels are converted into columns. If possible, use the level name, which is more explicit. If there are no level names, you can refer to each level by its integer location, which begin at 0 from the outside. You can use a scalar value here or a list of all the indexes you would like to reset. In the rare event that you want to preserve the index and turn the index into a column, you can do the following.
For multi-index, you can extract its subindex using where C_name is the name of the subindex.